Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we have a big update on politics, peace talk, and the special court trial. Before we begin with this latest update, please help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. First, we focus on President Salva Kiir Mayardit and the ruling party, the SPLM, on December 5, 2025. President Salva Kiir Mayardit met with senior leader of his party at the State House in Juba. This was an important update, an important meeting. During the meeting, President Salva Kiir Mayardit say he want to talk to all opposition groups in South Sudan. President Salva Kiir Mayardit, he believe this is the right way to bring peace before 2026 election. Dr. Akol Kurdit, the SPLM Secretary General, he explained that this meeting is part of a bigger plan to improve the party and the country. He said they have strategies to make the party stronger and more ready to serve citizens. The meeting also emphasized that everyone must be ready for election in December 2026. The party wants to follow its founding values and bring fairness to all. To understand why this is important, we need to look at the history of South Sudan politics. The SPLM has been the main party since independence in 2011. But over the year, division and conflict have grown. Many opposition groups have formed because people want their voice heard. By opening dialogue now, the government is trying to show that it cares about unity. This is not only for the party but also for the peace and safety of all South Sudanese citizens. Political analysts say that reaching out to opposition group is a positive step. If the dialogue works, it can reduce violence and improve trust in the political system. However, if these talks fail, it could create more tension. Many citizens are hopeful. Some say we want peace if politicians can talk and solve problems. Our life will be better. Others are cautious. They worry that promises may not lead to real change. So, in summary, President Salva Kiir Mayardit and SPLM leaders are trying to include all political voices before the election. This is a key moment for the country. How successful it will be is still to be seen. SPLM and SPLM-IO cooperation talk. And another important development, the SPLM and a faction of SPLM-IO led by Stephen Parkour have started to work together for the 2026 election. Leaders from SPLM-IO, including Lasuba Wango, the Minister of Federal Affairs, and Agog Makur, former Deputy Finance Minister, visited the SPLM Secretary General, Dr. Akol Kurdit. They discussed election, peace agreement, and how to cooperate for a strong and united country. SPLM-IO is a breakaway group from the main SPLM-IO. Over the year, internal division and conflict have affected South Sudan peace process. By talking and cooperating now, these political groups are trying to avoid past mistakes. The meeting focused on the reconstituted peace agreement. Both sides promised to work together to implement it fully and ensure the election in 2026. Experts say that these talks are very important cooperation between parties and between party can make election more peaceful. It can also improve the government service which people need urgently. Citizens have mixed feeling about this. Some say we hope this talk continue and bring real change. Others say we will wait and see if the politicians keep their promises this time. This cooperation shows that political parties are learning from past mistakes, and instead of fighting, they are trying to plan together. If successful, South Sudan could have more peaceful and credible election. So far, South Sudan is seeing some positive movement toward peace and political unity, but these talks need time, trust, and consistent action to succeed. Later, here on a special court trial of Dr. Riek Machar. Now we turn to the trial of suspended first by President Dr. Riek Machar. The special court trial has been postponed again. The trial was set to continue, but one of the judges, Judge Stephen Simon, became ill. Presiding Judge James Alala announced that the session will be held again on Wednesday, December 10, 2025. Dr. Riek Machar and 7 others face serious charges, including treason, murder, terrorism, and money laundering. The trial is about the Nasser incident. The Nasser incident is a key event in South Sudan recent history. It involved political and military conflict that affected many citizens. The trial has been ongoing, and citizens are following it closely because it involved top political leaders. Legal experts say that delay in the trial are normal but important to ensure fairness. The absence of judge, especially one who document trial proceeding, means the court cannot continue. People are watching closely. Many say we want justice, but we also want a fair trial. Some citizens worry about political influence on the court. Others hope this trial will show that no one is above the law. In short, the trial continues, but with a small delay. South Sudanese citizens must wait to see how the case unfolds and how it will affect national politics. To summarize today's top news from South Sudan, President Salva Kiir Mayardit and the SPLM are opening dialogue with opposition group to promote peace before the 2026 election. Second, SPLM and SPLMIO are starting talk to cooperate and make the election fair and peaceful. Third, the trial of Dr. Machar has been postponed due to judge illness, and the court will resume on December 10. South Sudan is at a crucial moment. Peace, dialogue, and fair election are what citizens hope for. Thank you for watching Changfied. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with real news from South Sudan. Bia Kamal Gwaseme, bana raketin kone tuo. Mi jira mi jidid Gwaseme ka Changfied YouTube channel. Go to their channel, there is support, there subscribe, kode notification bell, there is a twine. Come take a lear, mishi break Gwaseme Shamala bere kaya. Chan right keller dang rotiti, killer dang jok. Bana right manana chala da kim yadit. Bana right kui Dr. Machar. Ka bana right ba. Katin chalat. Kume SPLI undo dien menchijen ka Dr. Machar lip kan kuin kware ke chikadwal ban jelinga na memento walk. Chan right ka kui President Salva Kiir Mayardit Ramdan la kuer ka ruling party dung SPLM. Ka changa di ka paiwero ronkin dangro jan dangro de di President Salva Kiir Mayardit chejekene senior leader Raiwika South Sudan ke state house ke Juba. Our end meeting our very important meeting ki adol weekend were very important. Gwasa dol ke dol tin gwasa mo President Salva Kiir Mayardit charach. Ya lad no nene. Go region can all the opposition group ki bon dialen kone charen tin kone terar akapa de SPLM. Raiwika South Sudan jen go region oboro ke kwi malka. Kire jenenge jeno the right way no be mal be bin keje o ba queen kware 2026 election ba jalat te jo mo che jalat jene gore jene ken opposition parties all of them bika bere mal ka ba mal ba je to ke ba mal ba jalat ko ba ko inquiry ka ron kin dangro jen dangro bakel ba jalat Dr. Akol Paul Kodit the SPLM Secretary General chela do en ta dana chadul chaidul keje akeni a part of a bigger plan a plan mishari aleka ko ba party ba jari aleka ken which South Sudan ajene kan tin ken ke taken ke strategy nti ken ke use ko bi party dien and party kin yadid bala party mogwa na ka bala ready be South Sudanese citizen baga jagare de ko bi ken ko inquiry bi ken lat bi ka kwer no ken bi ken kwai are meeting na mo chi garwa je long ka kwiko ken ke ready ke election ke ko inquiry man balat ke 2026 party dien chi kala do ne dolka dola me ko bine ideal bi kan value man te ka jan SPLM bi kan ngat kan o bine ideal baga pare wi ka South Sudan mugur ko na bana tika ngin mugwa ka jene me bana lo jogono South Sudan tereri kamidit ke siyasa mi leroda it ka SPLM ra ke kirma yadit ajan che janya lon ka runtun wan ni me to ka me dana je independent ke 2011 kana men ben pinyu kwam kan ko inkwar kana melat medan me ci daruma char che gujeno de ko inkwar de jela tikir lok tikir share all the cabinet including first vice president Riek Machar ke 2013 chaga joj ka kore chu korcho je to ka kore kwala chol civil war mi ci more than 400,000 people chaga nak le wiki juba so na me chaken tel mi shale election mu gorke me chamal me chaje batanya ken ke 2016 chwaring ma chacha nyo mu jo ke jere wich ke 2018 chamal mo chwa nyo ko mulat ke je chumal chule na gwa ke jen 2025 to continent chala to no charing ma cha yen point ko kir mi yadi jen che goro de let kan dakar ma char but teme kire jen shole bond yala no bi mal bi kan lat bi kan ka party bi kan ka election 2026 election kule latinyo nene misha dialogue chaja kule lebe kume and dialogue me ki mara gorken me ka partner dialogue ken opposition party dere jenyo den wo to kume spela yo teraten ki tete kume spela yo cha de kreo kume spela yo te ke ne kon chunkel ka parkol ne kon chunkel ka dakamacha mja kon ko bana men chalat kume spela yo ken SPLM la kume parkol ken sharen mat Yukuma SPLM can SPLM ayo can be corporate ko be rich. So na me muditin kuma SPLM ayo nda na chiti ko kuma dakma char la kuma rake seven parkol wa kan shi garwa kana togre which ka juba ko be kan ko in quarter 2026 be kana lat SPLM ayo querian mutipin wuri chal parkol la wun mishala suba wongo a minister of federal affairs kana gongma kur former deputy finance minister waken chicken and chika okay SPLM secretary general Dr. Akol Paul Kodit ikano right ta election ga ta queen kware men ba queen kware ba jelat keje kan ta dan de ga let kel good de which de jaga betakamat ki betakamat SPLM ayu and right par call chika jian gwa de dan e cha da kuma char me chaje yentin me ko me to kana se chugarin chu watch and ona ka chu kana confusion no ken let ken ga kwi da kuma char but ka kore chubu jojo gwano en farkol chagul chung kel kena Dr. Machar en chayen so chwaje criticize lunga tindi ala kon chanen kaje special mer community kan no gono bi chung kel ka farkol ti farkol changod ba we ko jene party leader he acting interim chairman mi chaguje no chi chung jen chetiai but right now ko je people are looking forward no muwa Dr. Machar waje lun bi farkol betel position but still farkol kun sis bono jen ramimo millet alo bala kwer so na me jenda le ro shika do kan bu let kel kum SPLM and kum parkol wana kala rodien special court trial dung Dr. Machar che joja gwano jen chaje tugani ka jen chang en pai we chang di ka pai wero ronki na jen dang ro di ba che joja gwano ne chaje nyok mo kwaje yot jok do bidana kwa yot jok je men chagu je no de look de je tuk look first by president kana ne la Dr. Machar kene dang barotin ko ken wa chu alu cha kap joko chala ro ci jajkel wun michali Stephen Simon wajen ce tege juyi mu ce tege juyi ci presiding judge Jimmy Salala chala ro ne ba lu ba nyo mu kap ko je jok ka changa wel ka pai wero ronkin dang ro jan dang ro di ya kap jokon ta me lu Dr. Machar ken ne ga dang baro tin kon ti kel cha gwan ka gwan ngai kon no ken e ci kan kor ci kan jaga jataten mi cha gwi bon wo ci to ci ga dob dan ci kon li nga je kati dial kon lat ko rodien ka do be dan ci ko ci to je dor chal ka me nasir so ntame ba lu ko ba jo nyok kam lat ke je jen changa wel nb ka jan pai wero amene jen gwadan ban chong tin mi jiram jidit gwas me goro no jin bishan be je support an biata kamal bye bye